committed that if I'm elected president, have an opportunity to appoint someone to the courts, I'll appoint the first black woman to the courts. It's required that they have representation now. It's long overdue.
It's a promise Joe Biden made before he became president to nominate a black woman to America's highest court. Now it seems he'll have a chance to do just that. The discussion is in full swing tonight after word that Justice Stephen Breyer is planning to announce his retirement.
The news hits close to home. One of the potential nominees for the job is from South Florida. CBS 4's Bobeth Yates is live in Miami tonight with more. Bobeth?
Well, Lauren and Elliot, if this South Florida judge gets President Biden's nomination, she may have to fight for confirmation without the help of her two state senators. The last time she was up for a confirmation vote in the Senate, Marco Rubio did not vote at all, and Rick Scott voted against her. Still, some say Kentanji Brown Jackson is a front runner.
The president has stated and reiterated his commitment to nominating a black woman to the Supreme Court.
And a possible contender for President Biden's Supreme Court nominee, considered by some as the front runner, is a Miami native. Kentanji Brown Jackson attended and graduated from Palmetto Senior High. If she's appointed to the Supreme Court, she'll join Jeff Bezos as one of Palmetto's famous graduates. After Palmetto High, she left Miami for Harvard. Her career eventually led her to work as a Supreme Court clerk for the man she might now replace, Justice Stephen Breyer. CBS News correspondent Jan Crawford explains why Judge Jackson is considered by some as the front runner.
Behind Judge Jackson's strong credentials and, of course, that clerkship with Justice Breyer, I think what makes her an early favorite is that she was recently confirmed by the Senate to the prestigious Federal Court of Appeals here in D.C. with 53 votes, including 3 Republicans. And also, if the White House is thinking about moving really quickly on this, which our sources suggest that they are, that means that she's also been recently vetted and extensively vetted. She even met with President Biden.
And during that recent confirmation hearing, Judge Jackson spoke about how she views the role as a judge.
When you become a judge, you take an oath to look only at the law in deciding your cases, that you set aside your personal views about the circumstances, the defendants, or anything else.
Now, during that same confirmation hearing, Judge Jackson did push back on some senators who suggested that her race may play a role in her ruling. Now, she did say she has a different life experience than her colleagues, but added she thought that would bring value to the bench. In Miami, Bobeth Yates, CBS News Tonight.